is there a list of expenses that are deductible for my small business? Can you give me a list? Now, the good news, and I really, no offense here, and I won't call out the name here, but I really don't like that question because I don't want to see you take a list of expenses and then just start paying things off that list. Remember, from a tax standpoint, I only want you to spend money that you need to spend to grow your business. Okay, so the key is you spend money to grow your business. So it's an ordinary and necessary business expense with its primary purpose for your business. If you can meet those criteria, it's going to be deductible. Okay, now all you got to figure out is where to put that on your tax return. Now, having said that, the IRS will help us with a list of business expenses. They even have a publication. In fact, you don't have to worry about the publication. Just search on business expenses. Okay, right there on the front of the IRS website, if you just search on business expenses, lots of information out there about exactly what type of expenses are available. See, they're right there on business expenses. What can I deduct? Right here on the IRS website. They talk about cost of goods sold. They can talk about capital expenses. Those are computers and equipment and those type of things. Whole bunch of different detail about what's personal, what's business, and what can be included. And then further, you'll notice here right in the middle, publication 535, business expenses, also has lots of detail. Notice right here on the table of contents, going down here, lots of detail. What's employee, what's too much, what's reasonable, what kinds of pay are deductible, rent expense, interest. Just list after list after list of individual items, how to calculate those, are there limits on those, and where to include those on the tax return. Remember, most of these are going to end up right back on your Schedule C. So you've got lots of resources via the forms, lots of information here at mahalodotcom. You can see exactly where to end up on each one of those expenses.